Yeah, good day, guys. So we are taking you on how we can import external, how we can import a PDF or photo. Maybe somebody gave you a drawing in PDF, how you can import it, scale it, and bring out the plan and print it out. So let's get started. We'll show you how to import it first. You go to insert. As you go into insert, you can see this is link to PDF, this is import PDF, this is import image, and this is import card, and the rest. You can see some import and the rest. So let's go to PDF and see if we have any PDF of such file. I know. Okay, there's nothing like PDF here. It's a drawing, but if you have one, you just click create and import it. But let's go with import image. We go to import image, we go to scale, and I think this is an image. So let's see if this image is a drawing. So you have imported it, you put it down. You have imported your drawing here. So what you do is you simply go to this place, this scale, you click on scale. You simply go to scale. You click on this drawing and press enter. When you press enter, you see this highlight and you see your cursor have changed. So what you do is you now measure from here, because this is the scale we want to get. We want to get this scale. So you measure from here to this place. You make sure you get it exactly the point. Okay, I think I'm getting exactly the point. Then you drag it. You see it is moving. It's moving, or you just press 1 point. Or you just press 1.2 and you press enter. So you have gotten your scale. You have gotten this drawing to scale. So how you will know that you have gotten this drawing to scale? You go to this measurement by 2. This, not this place. You go here and you take the measurement of this place. You take the measurement of here. And you come here. You can see it is almost same. It is exactly 2. But sometimes it may not really go exactly, but you have seen you have gotten same. You can say it. So it is 2. So you make sure it is 2. So with this, you now know you have gotten what you want, 1.2. Then you can now start, you move it there, you can now start tracing your drawing. You start tracing the wall to get all these measurements. And you get this. So this is exactly how to import your drawing and your PDF and all that. Yeah, and take your measurement and trace out the drawing exactly the way it is. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you understood what we did today.